21वीं सदी में बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और बायोमास का कॉम्बिनेशन बायो इकोनॉमी के रूप में विकसित भारत की बुनियाद का अहम हिस्सा है।
In just 10 years, India's bioeconomy has grown more than 16-fold, from $10 billion in 2014 to $165.75 billion in 2024. It now contributes 4.25% to India's GDP, growing at an impressive 17.9% CAGR. A bioeconomy uses renewable biological resources like plants, microbes, and waste to create sustainable solutions in energy, healthcare, agriculture, and industry. India aims to become a global bioeconomy leader with a target of $300 billion by 2030, paving the way toward a sustainable, self-reliant, and inclusive future by 2047. Launched in 2024, the BioE3 policy supports regenerative manufacturing, circular bioeconomy models, and green job creation in line with India's net zero commitments. India is building advanced biomanufacturing hubs, biofoundries, and bio-AI centers, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, boosting R&D, jobs, and global competitiveness. The National Biopharma Mission, co-funded by the World Bank, has enabled over 100 projects and 30 MSMEs, enhancing India's edge in vaccines, diagnostics, and therapeutics. India manufactures 65% of the world's vaccines and developed the first DNA-based COVID-19 vaccine, reinforcing its status as a global pharmaceutical powerhouse. From genome-edited rice to high-yield chickpeas and eco-friendly pest control, India is leveraging biotech to build climate-resilient, high-productivity agriculture. Through Biotech Kisan, science-driven practices are empowering over 1 lakh farmers, especially women, across rural India with improved incomes and resilience. India's ethanol blending grew from 1.5% to 15%, saving nearly 1 lakh crore in oil imports and cutting over 500 lakh metric tons of CO2 emissions.
And just as the industrial revolution of 1990s was IT-driven, the next revolution of the 21st century is going to be bio-driven.
Supported by BIRAC, India's biotech startup ecosystem is thriving, with over 1,000 ventures backed by grants, incubation, and mentoring across healthcare, agri-tech, and clean energy. India's integrated approach is transforming it into a global biotechnology leader, building a greener, healthier, and more resilient future for all. Together, let's support India's journey to a bio-powered future. The future is bio. The future is now.